Pegboard test. This is a test to see how quickly and accurately you can work with your hands. Before you begin each battery of the test, you will be told what to do and you will have the opportunity to practice. Be sure you understand exactly what to do. Since you're right-handed, we're going to start with your right hand. You're going to pick up one pin at a time with your right hand from the right-handed cup, starting with the top hole. Place each pin in the right-hand row, which is this row, like this. Now you may insert a few pins for practice. If during the testing time you drop a pin, do not stop to pick it up. Simply continue by picking up another pin from the cup. Stop. Now take out the practice pins and put them back in the right-handed cup. When I say begin, place as many pins as possible in the right-hand row, starting with the top hole. Work as rapidly as you can until I say stop. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Begin. Stop. 17. Yes. Okay. Now we're going to do your left hand. You can leave all those in. Take up one pin at a time with your left hand from the left hand cup. Place each pin in the left-handed row, starting with the top hole. You may insert a few pins for practice. Stop. Now take out the practice pins and put them back into the left-hand cup. When I say begin, place as many pins as possible in the left-hand row, starting with the top hole. Work as rapidly as you can until I say stop. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Begin. Stop. So you go 60. Okay. Now you can put all the pins back into their respective cups. Now we'll be testing both hands. For this part of the test, you will use both hands at the same time. Pick up a pin from the right hand cup with your right hand. At the same time, pick up a pin from the left-handed cup with your left hand. Then place both of them down into the top holes of the rows. You may insert a few pins for practice. Okay, stop. Take the pins out of the practice cup and put them back into their proper cups. When I say begin, take as many pins as possible with both hands, starting with the top of both rows. Work as rapidly as you can until I say stop. Are you ready? Begin. Stop. So you have 14. Okay, you may put the pins back in their respective cups. Now we're going to be completing the assembly. So, since you're right-handed, you're going to pick up one pin from the right-handed cup with your right hand. While you're placing it in the hole of the right-handed row, pick up a washer with your left hand. As soon as the pin has been placed in the hole, drop the washer over the pin. While the washer is being placed over the pin with your left hand, pick up a collar with your right hand. As the collar is being dropped over the pin, pick up another washer and put that on top of the collar. This completes the first assembly, consisting of a pin, a washer, a collar, and a washer. While the final washer for the first assembly is being placed with your left hand, start the second assembly immediately by picking up another pin with your right hand. Place it in the next hole. Drop a washer over it with your left hand, and so on, completing another assembly. Now, take a moment to try a few practice assemblies. Okay, stop. It's important to know that you should be using both hands and they both should be operating at the same time, picking up one pin, one washer, one collar, and so on. Okay, we can put all those back. Okay, when I say begin, you're going to make as many assemblies as possible, beginning with the top hole. You have 1 minute to complete this section of the test. You're going to work quickly until I say stop.